Welcome to EnglishNova Channel.
1. What should you do before sleeping? A. Eat pizza. B. Brush your teeth. C. Ride a bike. B. Brush your teeth. 2. What should you do when it is raining? A. Wear sunglasses. B. Take an umbrella. C. Go to the beach. B. Take an umbrella. 3. What should you do in the morning? A. Go to bed. B. Sleep all day. C. Wake up early. C. Wake up early. 4. What should you do before school? A. Go to sleep. B. Bring your backpack. C. Play video games. B. Bring your backpack. 5. What should you eat to be healthy? A. French fries. B. Candy. C. Fruits. C. Fruits. 6. What should you do when you are tired? B. Run fast. C. Have a party. A. Take a rest. 7. What should you do in class? A. Sleep. B. Play on the phone. C. Listen carefully. C. Listen carefully. 8. What should you do when you feel dirty? A. Take a shower. B. Hug a toy. C. Watch TV. A. Take a shower. 9. What should you do when you are hungry? A. Read a book. B. Eat food. C. Draw pictures. B. Eat food. 10. What should you do before a test? A. Study. B. Play football. C. Play games. A. Study. 11. What should you do when your room is messy? A. Listen to music. B. Sit down. C. Clean your room. C. Clean your room. 12. What should you do when someone calls you? A. Close your ears. B. Answer the phone. C. Go outside. B. Answer the phone. 13. What should you do with trash? A. Put it in the bin. B. Put it on the bed. C. Put it on books. A. Put it in the bin. 14. What should you do to learn words? A. Run fast. B. Write them down. C. Paint pictures. B. Write them down. 15. What should you do when you feel worried? A. Cry loudly. B. Take a deep breath. C. Run away. B. Take a deep breath.